Yo, what's up guys? We are here on another vlog. We got the E30. Some little like rubbish on it. I don't know. I haven't driven this car in a while. I'm driving the booger car, but we're gonna hit up Rodeo Drive. So actually the way I unlock this car is from the trunk. All my E30 owners know that these ones get jammed up. And yeah, a lot of you guys have never seen my interior before, but got the prism seats. Let's show the back. It's probably dirty. We got the fire extinguisher right there. Back seats looking clean. Yeah, a little setup. Get some POV action for you guys. Of the steering wheel. Boom. Shout out NRG. And we're gonna cold start this for the first time in like a week, so. Strong cold start, pretty strong. All right, the only pain with these seats is the harnesses, and I don't recommend driving this as a daily car, even though I drive this a lot sometimes. I took this car to a road trip for like 3,000 miles about to Washington from LA, but yeah, it could be worse. Just this part gets a little heavy sometimes, and bucket seats, it's not really much motion. Yeah, my windshield is so dirty, but say bye to the booger car, guys. I'm not driving it for once. And yeah, I'll try to get some POV videos for you guys. Turn on the lights. Literally driving one-handed. Alright guys, we just filled up. And the car's looking really rough right now, but with this lighting you can't really tell from far. But we'll do a little walk around in the car with the BBS's. Yeah, this car is looking so rough. But yeah, alright guys, we made it to Rodeo. We got some slingshots up in here. But yeah, we got the E30. Yes sir, looking shiny as hell right now. Yo, what's with the slingshots out here, man? Look at this. Look what just pulled up right now. Look at the Beaver. Sheesh. We're just walking Rodeo Drive, you know, just casually, just walking like normal, and you see a Lamborghini Urus in chalk color. Damn. So we're just gonna walk through Rodeo, just see the type of stores out here. We got a nice spec Porsche. Damn. Look at that color on this.
I got here early.
Damn, this is the guy who's gonna be shooting flames apparently. What did you bring for us today?
Oh, we got marshmallows.
We got marshmallows. We're gonna cook some marshmallows on this. We got Riley. We got Yusuf. Yo, look at this color. It's a two-tone with the pink. And we got a marble Supra. Bro, I want a Supra so badly. Like, look at that. A little heart. Hey, how do you feel right now? I don't even know what's happening right now, but shit, man.
It's a video of you vlogging yourself like that, and he just puts a caption like, "Ay yo, what is Russell doing?"
Sus, bro. Hey, if only you guys could see like the mount I'm on right now. He set it up.
What's up? This guy. Oh, that's so funny.
What is going on right now? We're going to another spot to roast marshmallows. So we made it to the other spot. We got the marshmallows on deck. Hold on. Let me eat one real quick. Take it two. Marshmallows hitting the spot. Damn, bro. We got a M2, M3, old BMW. Fuck out of here. And an M5 CS, 1 of 1 with the underglow kit.
Alright, we got Wixie here.
So we're out here. We're gonna be cooking some marshmallows on some Mustang. Damn. Good? Eat it right now. I dare you.
Eat it.
No way. You like that? He's eating it. He ate it.
Dude, there was
He
a
just
big
ate it,
flame.
bro.
That was
Yeah,
nice
guys.
one.
Standing there.
You got it.
Dude,
You can do it, man.
nah, dude. There's
Let
like
it. You
gasoline, there's fucking tennis. He's still going,
There's
bro.
one.
Ew,
More
don't eat
than
that.
crazy.
Don't eat
We're
that.
taking more marshmallows. Where's the hole?
I'm trying.
We got the marshmallow. Oh, I need a stick. That's what I need. The whole silver line. Look, guys, we're gonna be installing a new carbon fiber spoiler. So this is, I had this one for a while. I mean, the wrap company did not do a good job installing this one. It's very like uneven and loose, but we're gonna take it off. Just wanted to show you guys the E30 really quick. Sitting very nice and pretty. Right now it's like glowing. I don't know if you guys can see the flake a little. Gotta wash this car. I might take this car to a car event pretty soon, but E30, it's so dirty. Alright, so right now we're cutting the spoiler off. Nice little clean flush cut. We're probably gonna clean the residue a little bit, peel it off, and boom, that's gone. This is how it looks, a lot more aggressive, shinier carbon. Sending it to me, I'll put it in the description. Just look at the difference between this one. It's more sleek, not too aggressive, and then look at this, how sharp and high it is. It's a PSM HIGHKICK spoiler, so it's gonna change the whole look. So we did a test fit on it just to see how it looks. It looks really nice. It comes out a good amount. Let's see if we can get like a side shot. So we put the 3M tape all around here. Now we're gonna try to put it as even as possible on the platform. So this is the final product of how it came out. It looks so nice. Like, look at this view from here. It just gives the whole back end the whole brand new look. If you guys want to see a video of me explaining all the parts I've done, from cosmetic, like the diffuser, the wheels, everything, to whatever's in the engine bay, the carbon hood, literally everything. If you want a video on just what's been done to this booger car, let me know in the comment section below if you guys would like to see that. But man, this car, I love this car. Such a fun daily. Like, if anyone is looking for a first car that's not too expensive, I definitely recommend getting a 328i. Like, it changed the whole look of the car. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for making it this far into the video. I'm trying my best to start recording everything, but yeah, I love this carbon spoiler. It came out so well. Like, we just have to let it like cure and settle in. But yeah, I'll give you guys an update on anything else I get with the cars, this car or the E30. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.